For safety, disconnect the refrigerator from power or turn off the 12-volt supply. Insert a narrow pry tool gently around the edges of the LED cover. Carefully release the clips by working around the perimeter until the cover pops free. Use the same pry tool to loosen the LED light from its retention clips. Then gently pull the light forward and disconnect the 2-pin connector out from the back. Take the new LED cover and click the LED light into the back of the cover until it seats securely. Plug the LED light back into the 2-pin connector, ensuring a firm connection. Align the LED light and cover with the original mounting area. Press gently until all clips snap back into place, securing the cover and light. Power on the refrigerator and confirm the LED illuminates properly.